If you are a graphic designer and want to increase your productivity and performance, you need to add a few extensions. In this video, I am going to share with you 10 must-have extensions that will make you a pro graphic designer. Make sure you watch the video till the conclusion so that you don't miss any of the related important stuff. Also, don't forget to subscribe to this channel for almost daily similar videos. So let's begin. Number 1. Awesome Screenshot and Screen Recorder. The first important plugin that a graphic designer needs is a tool to record the screen and take screenshots. Although there is a long list of extensions for screenshots and screen recording, none are better than Awesome Screenshot and Screen Recorder. It has over 3 million users with over 24,000 reviews, which shows it's a highly reliable extension. What makes this extension unique is its 2-in-1 feature. It simultaneously allows you to take a screenshot of the screen or crop a picture and lets you record the screen as well. It means both options are available. Otherwise, you will need a separate extension for screenshots and screen recording. Another feature allows you to blur or annotate any screenshot or video screen. You can capture the entire screen or a selected area. Delayed capture is another awesome thing that gives you more control over the screen. In the menu, all your projects are available. It also makes it easy to download any picture or video. In short, as a graphic designer, this one extension gives you all the features you need related to screenshots and screen recording. Number 2. ColorZilla. Did you ever see an exquisite color pattern on some other person's website and wish you could have it as well? To do so, you need a HEDX code. And if you want to know the HEDX code, you have 2 options. Firstly, you can go to the source option, which is both fairly complicated and time-consuming. The other option, which is preferably better, is to use an extension to extract HEDX code. That's where ColorZilla becomes important for graphic designers. ColorZilla helps in color reading and gives the exact code in a matter of seconds that can be pasted into any other program. Apart from picking colors, you can analyze the web page color and generate a gradient. It also has other features such as an eyedropper, which make it a complete package. Also, it is easy to navigate and self-explanatory, despite offering advanced color tools. Therefore, a graphic designer has to have these phenomenal extensions to help with color-related functions. Number 3. PicMonkey. PicMonkey is another useful extension that helps graphic designers with editing images. Although you already have the awesome screenshot extension, you still need an extension that helps you download any image and edit it according to your design. Sometimes you want to rotate an image at a certain angle, turn it upside down, add filters, add text, overlays, frames, etc. Although you can do these things on other online platforms, you will have to leave your page, which can be both distracting and time-consuming. That is why you need an extension that will do all the above-mentioned tasks in one click. The other important feature of PicMonkey is that it gives you a host of options to download any image in the required format, MB, and size. Hence, PicMonkey gives all options related to image editing and optimization and all that for free. Number 4. Evernote Web Clipper. Evernote Web Clipper is an extension given by Evernote, a renowned tool for note-keeping. If you want to organize your data, you need Evernote. And if you want to organize your images, Evernote Web Clipper will be a highly useful extension. The single most important feature is the synchronization across devices. The sync feature is exceedingly effective if you have more than one laptop for work or if you use a mobile device for work as well. If you want your digital data available across devices, you need Evernote Web Clipper. If you take a screenshot with Evernote Web Clipper, the same screenshot will be available on your mobile and other devices instantly, which gives you a great advantage. You do not need to manually share data on all devices. Apart from images, you can save any article, webpage, PDF, or any other data and can access them from any device at any time. Therefore, this extension helps you sync your data and lets you work with more freedom. Number 5. WebFront. A crucial aspect of graphic design is selecting the best fonts for different design projects. Sometimes the only difference between a good flyer or logo is font type. A catchy and appealing illustration, logo, layout, photo, or any other design needs a befitting font family and font size. The only way to know this is through inspection, which is highly complicated and time-consuming. If you are not a tech nerd, you better not try this method. To address this issue, you need the WebFront extension, an easy but highly effective tool to identify fonts used on web pages. You just need to click its icon and it will show you the font family, size, line height, and other related details. Number 6. Your graphic designer. Your graphic designer is another effective tool that can save a lot of time for graphic designers. This simple extension gives you a variety of drawings, paintings, vectors, curves, shapes, etc. It means you just need to drag and drop any graph, shape, or curve without the need to manually draw a shape. which is laborious and time-consuming. There are thousands of shapes already drawn for graphic designers. In other words, this extension is made only for graphic designers. All tools and features are tailored to help designers do fast and efficient work. Notably, if you do not find the graph or shape you are looking for, you can manually draw on it. It gives you a freehand drawing canvas, which is very important for a graphic designer. Apart from that, you can export a design or shape into required formats such as JPG, SVG, PNG, and other formats. Your graphic designer is a multilingual tool, which means there will be no language barrier and anyone can use it. So just download this extension, just like any other pro graphic designer. Number 7. Photomania. Photomania is an advanced extension that gives you over 400 photo effects. For a graphic designer, small details and small changes in image matter. One seemingly similar effect may make it look unfit, but a related effect can make it visually and aesthetically more appealing. This extension gives you over 400 effects such as pop art, sponge dab, Byzantine, pencil drawing, cartoon, warm smearing, structuralism, superstring, rust, brick, Picasso, Fauvism, abstractionism, pastel, weaving, color life, cubism, metaphysics, etc. Therefore, you have all possible effects that make you more creative as a graphic designer. Importantly, it is easy to use, which makes it equally effective for newbies. You just need to hover over an image and click, and the image will open in Photomania with all the editing options. You also get thousands of cards and photo frames, which make it a multifunctional extension. Another notable aspect is that this extension is free despite offering premium effects and frames, which makes it one of the much-needed extensions for a graphic designer. Number 8. Sumo Paint. If you are a beginner and you cannot afford the premium tools that other graphic designers typically use, install Sumo Paint. This all-in-one image editing and painting extension is a great substitute for premium tools like Photoshop. Sumo Paint gives a host of features for free that are premium in Photoshop. Because of this competitive advantage, Sumo Paint has already become a community of over 570,000 members. It has more than 2 million images with all the editing options that you might ever need. You can adjust the shadow, gradient, glow, overlay effects, and other options. Moreover, you can adjust the curve, color balance, and levels. Having over 300 brushes makes it a great professional tool for graphic designers. Rest assured, this is not a typical productivity extension, but a full-fledged tool with all the image editing, optimization, and customization features. In other words, it is a tool like Photoshop or Canva Pro, but most of its features are completely free, which makes it a good choice for beginners. Number 9. Musli 2. A successful graphic designer always comes up with novel designs and fresh ideas. If you are able to make some exceptional logo designs, you are already a millionaire. Therefore, you need a tool that gives you the freshest of all design UI, UX, and other designing ideas. Musli 2 is one such extension that shows you novel and fresh as well as beautiful designs. You will see the latest templates related to different fields. For instance, if you want to draw a logo for a coffeehouse, you can simply go to Musli 2 and choose fresh templates. You may not copy a Musli design, but you will get an idea of what your logo must look like. It explains why over 300,000 graphic designers have been using Musli 2 to see new designs and templates. Number 10. Window Resizer. Last but not the least, you need Window Resizer, an all-important extension that helps you resize your window to emulate different screen resolutions. It also helps you test your layouts and set windows' width, height, position, and even apply new dimensions. As a graphic designer, you can also see your visuals such as your flyers and logos in different resolutions. Sometimes a color or design may look appealing at 1680 to 1050 desktop resolution or 1440 to 900 desktop resolution, but may seem unattractive or fuzzy at 375 to 667 iPhone 6. Therefore, you can resize your window and see how your design looks on different resolutions. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more beneficial videos. Let us know about your thoughts in the comment section below. See you in the next one.